In this Power Personas review, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the software Power Personas. If you have any questions, please comment them down below, and I'll also be sure to leave a discounted link down there so you can always get your money's worth for Power Personas. Power Personas is a software that helps your people understand and engage your customers. This is what you should see once you have first signed up or logging into the software once again. So this is actually the main dashboard of the software, and as you can see there's not too much going on because we have just first signed in. I'm going to quickly dive into each feature, and then throughout the review I'm going to dive deeper into each feature. So up here in the top left hand corner is the Power Personas logo. Once you click this, it should take you to the main page or the main dashboard page. It is clickable like most softwares, which is a cool feature for the software to have. All the way to the right of that we have the home page section, where it should take you to the home page if you click on it. To the right of that we have the plans and pricing if you want to go ahead and actually buy this software if you'd like it yourself. To the right of that we have the about section if you want to know everything about the Power Persona software, and this is where any features or anything like that would be held and explained. To the right of that, Power Persona software also has a blog, which is a cool feature. You can go ahead and go on that through right there, this button. To the right of that we have the download section where you can actually download anything, and then finally the main dashboard section where it would take you to the main dashboard. All the way to the right of that in the top right hand corner is the notifications bell, and you can actually go ahead and see any notifications by clicking on it, and it takes you to this page once you've clicked on it where your notifications would appear. Here it says your notifications, and then it says no notifications yet since I don't actually have any since I first created my account. Back up to the top right hand corner we have the account section, and if you click on the little arrow to the right hand side you can actually go on my profile, my profiles, user guides, my subscriptions and my account. All the way at the bottom of that is the log out button if you wish to log out. So that's pretty much it for this area. There's not too much going on, and once you are back on the main dashboard, once you've clicked on it, you can actually go ahead and it says create a new persona. This is where you'd start creating your personas for the software. So it says to me you do not have any profiles yet. That is again because I've just created my account. All the way at the bottom here we also have the Facebook, LinkedIn and Twitter of Power Personas, and you can actually click on them if you wish to do so. So we're going to go ahead and click create new persona right here with this blue button, and once you have went ahead and actually clicked on new persona it should take you to this page right here where you actually create your profile, name, gender, age and location. So you want to go ahead and add a name. I'm just going to go ahead and write in reviews for the name, and then you click your gender, and then right below that you have the age, which is you can go ahead and click any age. We're just going to go with 18. Location, you can choose it from urban to suburban or even rural. We're going to go with urban. Then below that it says occupational class, education and income. Right here you choose your occupation type, education and household income. We're going to go ahead and choose the occupation as, let's just say, we're a small business owner. Next you choose the education. We're going to go with bachelor degree or 4-year. Next we're going to choose our household income. We're going to go with upper mass market, and then you can go ahead and choose your case and project name, where we're just going to say influencer, and then name the project reviews again. So once you click next you actually go ahead and select a profile image, or you can also upload your own image. We're just going to go with this dude right in the middle. We're going to select him as our image, and then click next in the bottom right hand corner. Next you actually have your distinguishing characteristics. What qualities make this persona unique? Use the search bar to find and select individual adjectives, generic occupations, personality types and celebrities slash fictional character. So you can go ahead and actually type in individual descriptors, like let's go ahead and put determined as a descriptive, and then we're also going to go with passionate. You can also go with generic occupations like it says, like a small business owner, and it should pop up once you've actually started typing it. There you go, small business owner. And you can just go ahead and type these in as many as you want, and then just click select for them and just keep going through that. It also says you can add celebrities slash fictional characters like Brad Pitt, let's just go with, we're going to go with Keanu Reeves just as a random celebrity to pick. So once you have selected your descriptors and are happy with it and are happy with what actually correlates to what you want, you can actually go ahead and remove them if you want to do that, or even reset it, and they're all listed here. So once you're happy with it, you can go ahead and click next right in the bottom right hand corner. Next it should say select an occupation, which is optional. We're going to go ahead and actually do it, so we're just going to go ahead and click one of these. There's loads of different occupations for you to choose from. We went with business and financial operations, and then you select a category. We're just going to go with budget analysis, and then it should come up with a job budget analysis. But once you've done that, you want to go ahead and click next in the bottom right hand corner. Next it should say interests and activities, which is also optional, and you can just go ahead and tick these on and off if you want to do that as well. The software itself is actually a bit dodgy here and a bit unfinished because it actually goes through the socials of the Power Persona software. So you go through these and just click any one you want, and then go ahead and click next in the bottom right hand corner again. Traits and characteristics next. These are actually sliders where you can actually do up and down. So it should say what you are more or less of, and then you can go ahead and slide these up and down of what you are. So if you want to say more extroverted, you'd slide it up, and then it should determine how extroverted you are. And then for more open-minded, you'd slide that up or down, and then you can see it changes. Doer versus thinker, you can change that up and down from the left or right hand side. And then more agreeable, you can change that up or down, and they're pretty much the same thing for all of these. You click next, do it again with these, let's just make them random ones, and then finally you'd click submit all the way at the end where it says submit. It should then take a few seconds to calculate your results, and then it should give you your results. And there we go, after a few seconds up to a minute, it should land your results, where it gives this big profile page where you can actually go through everything that has been made with all of the things you actually put in. So it has your profile picture, your name, and then a little description that it's created, and then your age, location, education, income, and job right below there on the left hand side. It has your needs, nature, orientation, source of happiness, source of values, source of pleasure, motto, drives, and pursuits and downtime. So it pretty much gives you a whole profile using the answers that you put in, and it's pretty cool to see what actually appears on here. So it gives you your personality traits and characteristics. Right here you have your agreeableness, openness, impulse control, doing versus thinking, and extroversion. Down here you have your brands and lifestyle choices, and then it gives you a few of them, and that's pretty much it for this section. So you can go on the main profile, which we are on right now. You can go on marketing, where it gives you all of the marketing info, themes to consider, voice and tone, story arcs, stress, highlight, quote and reference, focus on, messaging subtext, grammar and punctuation, use emojis, and use FOMO. So then you can also go on e-commerce, pretty much the same thing, giving you more information on that. Social as well, you can see your social media tendencies and all of your relationship interests and everything like that. It just pretty much gives you a power persona like the software offers. Finally, you have your empathy, where it shows you what you think slash feel, say slash do, sees and hears, and then your POV. Gives you your pains down in the bottom and your gains, and then these little things down here. So you can go ahead and actually use this in a lot of different circumstances to go ahead and see if you can create personas for any forms of customers, like I said at the beginning. You can use it for yourself, or you can even use it for customers or using a business through this to see what people like and don't like, and you can kind of coerce your business around it. And there you go, that is it for the Power Personas software review. Overall, it's a decent software for creating good personas, and it comes out with great results. A few features I liked is the variety of results that actually it comes out with. I also like how it comes out with a main profile, the marketing, and I also like the empathy section down at the very end, where it actually says what you can actually see, hear, think, do, and stuff like that. All great features that I think would be good to actually coerce something around it and be used for multiple different situations. Would I recommend this to anyone? Yes, I absolutely would. Anyone who's looking for a software like this, there's not many out and I haven't seen many personally. I think this one works the best if it was to be put out there against others. Overall, I do think it's a great software. Thank you for watching, I'll see you next time.